we long for as we live in the air. Loving this lead me the time. God lead us to go and proclaim His message to our whole place.
Soon we believe in this best and keep our spirits attend me.
We will share the truth to every places.
We will share it to our workplace and in everywhere we go.
We will share the truth throughout all the trials. We have to stand in firm and strong, 'cause this is what we